Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your device's display is frozen. So the first thing that needs to be determined in such cases is whether the device is frozen fully or partially. You can easily check it just by clicking a combination of Ctrl Alt and Delete, delete keys. So press 3 buttons all together, and if you see this menu, that means that your device is only frozen partially, and in such case you simply have to use a task manager option, and once the task manager opens up, you have to select the application that is causing your device to freeze, right click on it and select End Task, and then if you did that, everything should start working normally now. But if it didn't help, that it means that your device is completely frozen, and to unfreeze it you simply have to restart it. So grab your device, press the power button and keep holding it until the light on the power button disappears completely. Sometimes it might start blinking before it fully disappears. Well, in my case it simply switch it off, and right now we have to click on the power button once again and the device will start booting up. If it didn't happen, if pressing power button didn't change anything in your case, well, that means that the only solution that will help you is just removing the charging cable from your laptop like this, and just leaving the laptop like this for a while until it discharges, and then it will switch off, and after which you'll be able to plug in the charging cable again into your laptop and try turning it on, and after that everything will start working normally. And basically that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.